Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankit Shrivastava and today we will explore how to read CSV file using Python. So today we will use Google Colab. This is basically a web-based tool where we can write and execute Python code. Okay. So first what we will do, we will upload our CSV file in this Colab environment. Reason being, Google Colab is running on a remote server, so it does not have basically access to our local path. So we will need to upload our file here in the Google Colab environment. So for that we just need to click on this files icon, and here we can see there is an upload button. You can click on this. Now you just need to navigate to the file path present in your local computer. You just need to click open. Now the file will appear here. Just to have a glimpse of data what is present in the file, you just need to double click this and you will see the column name and the list of rows present in the file. So for just the practice purpose, I have added only 3 columns, ID, name and salary, in the CSV file with just 2 rows. Okay. Now we will see how we can read this file using Python. So for that we will be using pandas library. Okay. So how we can write the code? So we need to import pandas as PD. Now we will create a data frame and we will use read CSV, and then we need to pass the path of the file. So in Google Colab we have already uploaded the file, so we will just click on this 3 dots and we'll copy the path and we will put it under inverted comma. In case if you are using any other tool like Jupyter or anything else, you can also direct give the local path of your computer or laptop. Okay. Now we will see how what is the output of this. So for that we need to print df. Okay, and we will just hit control enter and we will see the output. See, here we get the output: ID, name and salary. ID is 1, name, and then the salary column with the values. Hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.